Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Yes, I'm fit as fiddle. What about you, dear?
I'm great. I have been trying to have a conversation with you for a very long time. But
Yeah, yes. Yes, I think because of some issues we didn't connect yet, but unfortunately we are yes here. So I'm very much delighted to talk with you. So thank you so
yeah,
much for
same here.
connecting with me. Hmm.
Same here.
Okay. So let's introduce ourselves first.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, you can start.
Okay, my name is Shilpa and I'm from Himachal Pradesh, but currently I'm living in Punjab and I am a homemaker. And at the same time, I'm running a YouTube channel for learning English only. Sometime I also take online tuitions of bio subject and science subject online. This is all
Hmm.
about me.
Okay, that's good. So what about your education?
I have done masters in biotechnology and B.Ed as well.
Okay, B.Ed as well. So, okay, so shall I introduce myself first? So,
Yes,
I'm
sure. I want to know about yourself.
okay. So, I am Komal Hirani and I am connecting with you from Gujarat state and I am homemaker. And apart from that, I have one child and I'm learning this language for my son. I'm not looking for any job. And yes, it's my desire. I want to become independent woman. Let's see in future. But nowadays, I'm little bit occupied with my son, and every day I look after my whole family members. So I'm not getting too much time to work on myself. Yeah, and
Yeah,
simultaneously,
same problem is here. Um, same problem is here. I have also a daughter, and I always busy in house chore, house chore activities and with my daughter. So I'm also not able to get time for myself.
yes, yes. Okay. So, like, I want to know about your classes. Sometimes you take, classes. So,
Actually,
discuss like what.
uh,
Mhm.
in during corona time, whole education system changed and student started to learn online. So at that time I started teaching online classes, like there is a website, Guru. So I get students through that website. I started teaching, but for last 6 months I'm not teaching right now due to some health issues. So that's why,
Okay.
but I'm thinking to start again.
Okay. Once we started our journey as a working woman, and then after we stop, so we can't feel comfortable.
Yeah, actually, I have been suffering from sinus infection for last 6 months, and I have headache always. Always I have headache, so that's why I stopped teaching online. So, but now I'm recovering, so I'm thinking that I will start again.
Yeah, that's a good. That's a good. Don't you think I want to ask one question to you? Like, don't you think, before marriage, for a girl, there is no rules and regulation at their home. They whatever she wants to do, she can easily do. If they want to go outside, whatever the studies she wants, so definitely they do. But after marriage, it's totally rules and regulation is changed towards their daughter-in-law. So is it good thing or not? In our society they don't allow to go outside nowadays it's little bit changed, the scenario is changed, but still it happen because we already a masters in study, but after got married they don't allow to do a job. So and we
This
are just
is
occupied with our household chores and with our child and everything. Our journey is surrounding at our home in like with four walls. So what should you recommend?
I think this is totally wrong thing to stop any women to do something good for her. But in my at my home, it's not like that. We are totally free to do anything. Like if I want to do job, I can do. But it's my personal choice. Due to my daughter, I'm staying at my home because I feel that she needs me more because
Yes,
she is small. So that's why. And but yeah, at some places there are many people who don't allow women to go outside to work outside. Even she can't go outside to meet her, friends or
yes,
families. She so this is totally changed. But nowadays I think people mindset is changing. Nowadays they are
thank you. But
changing,
not
and
every time.
women,
Mhm.
yeah.
Every people mindset is not changing. Somehow, like 50-60 percentage are changing. Rest of the 40% is still they doing these things.
Yes, but um, around, if I talk about myself, around me, I can't find this kind of people. They are very rare actually. They are very
Okay.
rare, these kind of people. So women are now free to do anything. But yes, I find one problem everywhere. If women is also working, then there is lot of pressure on her shoulder. She is going outside for a job, and when she came back to home, she has to take care of her kids, and
Family members.
she has to prepare meals. So I think her husband or family member, they should cooperate with
Yeah.
her. I think so.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. If if we are like both are professional workers, so definitely we have to adjust in our life. Otherwise, one person is doing 200% efforts and other person is doing 100%. So the journey is, it's unstable, we can say. We don't feel comfortable, we don't feel happy because every time we have a burden. I have to do this work, I
Yes.
have to do, our mind will, if our like our happy moment also we can't enjoy because of our stress of burden. That's
Yes,
why.
you are right.
So
And
definitely.
on the other hand, if I want to ask a question, the women who are homemaker like me, you, do you feel that we find that kind of respect from our family? Is our work is praised by the people? Do you feel that?
Yes, I feel. I know like in my relatives, so many women are working women. I know how people they give respect to her, and she is independent woman, so she has money. She has no requirement to ask money for any other family members. But what about us? Like we are homemaker, we are not doing so. Every time we have to ask our husband to give money. I want to purchase these things. I want to buy these things. So every time we have to explain everything. If we earn the money, so there is no requirement to explain everything. Okay, and definitely people give us respect more and more. But I think one day I thought like I want to say my husband give me end of the month end of the month, please give me some couple of some money to whatever I am doing at our home. So because if we hire a maid, so definitely we give we pay money. So we are trying to make our home as a house. So definitely we are deserve. So give me a help with 20,000 rupees for I am managing your house as a home.
Yes.
So we deserve. And that's why we are no, that's why if we earn money, so definitely every woman get respect. Okay. But
Yes.
we are not hiring, we are not asking about money. So this is the problem. And even I also face like, if we are doing work, so whatever the suggestion, whatever the problems or any situation they give, they take a suggestion. They ask our opinion, what I am thinking. But if I'm a homemaker, so definitely they, or most of the decision they take by their own self. They are not asking us, our suggestion. So I think it's many differences. Even my neighbor, uh, they in my neighbor, one girl after marriage. So before marriage, she has a teacher. Okay, she earning 35,000 rupees per month. And after got engaged, there his her mother-in-law don't allow for job, because the thought process is like, her mother-in-law told me, I asked why you stop doing her job. So
Hmm.
she told me like, I am doing my household chores since 35 years. Now I want to become a retired. So I don't know,
Uh-huh.
I don't want to do my work anymore. So,
Hmm.
and even I don't want to hire any maid for my manage my house. So that's why she left his her job. And
Oh,
that girl also told me, I'm not comfortable. And what should I do? I don't know, because I took this decision for myself. So I have no any other option. And now
okay.
she is only
But
homemaker.
I think that girl should fight, with them for that she want to do job. She should fight.
But what nowadays, what is the problem? After after marriage, in family member get a daughter-in-law. So they, all the responsibility they give their daughter-in-law. They don't want to they don't want to like, उसको कुछ नहीं करना है, सभी उसको उसको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दे देनी है. This is the problem, this is a mentality. And after came daughter-in-law, they feel a little bit health issues. They don't want to do any household chores. They don't want to help in cooking part. They just want to sit on a couch. And sometimes they wants to go temple to satsang and all these things. They wants to do these two things. So this is the mentality of our Indian culture.
Yes, and I think especially homemakers, they don't get that kind of respect. I think so. Their work is not praised because they are doing thankless job. I think so. They are all are doing thankless job, and
Of course.
no one will praise to them that they are taking care of our family, they are taking care of kids, and they are taking care of home. So I think, but it's very important that women should be self-independent. But the women who are doing job outside and they are also taking care, their home. I think it's very difficult to manage both the things together.
Yes, yes. And if we are working women, so definitely, after if we go our work, so then after what raise our child? If we live in a nuclear family, so this is
Yes.
also a problem in our society. Like who one look after our child if no one at our home? So for our child we just we just left our job, or we just sacrifice our ideas and our thoughts. Yeah, this
Yes,
is a
you are
mentality
right.
of.
Actually, in metro cities, in big cities, if you are living with your husband only and there is no one, then it's very difficult to, do job and to take care of your kid. It's very
Yeah.
difficult, and small kids always get sick, then who will take care of them at home? If
Yes,
both
definitely.
will be working, but I don't know, some people manage. I don't know how they
How
manage.
they can manage.
Some people
Yeah.
manage.
And I want to share one thing. Like recently, my brother-in-law came from Australia. So whenever I give some any food, whenever I help him, every time he's saying me thank you. So I said, why are you thanking me all the time? So So he told me like this is a respect. Like I learned this respect from other countries, they give respect every person. If the person is rich or they belong from middle class family or they are poor, there is no they are they country doing no partiality towards any people. They give respect every person, and I like that point a lot. After he came, the environment our home is totally changed. Even he given me so much respect. So I like, and I told my husband, look at him, and you just learn something from him. It's try to change your mindset. So I
Okay.
like that point. Yes, yes.
And I think we should not, we are as a homemaker, we should not underestimate ourselves. It is no, sometimes we feel we create a low esteem in our, mind. So it is also a great job, and we have to do this job, with full enthusiasm. It's not like that, oh, we are only staying at home. Sometime I also feel these kind of thoughts keep coming in my mind. Oh, what I am doing at home, I'm cleaning dishes and preparing meal and taking care of my child. I am not doing anything. So I think, is this happen with you, or only I'm thinking?
No, no, it's happened with me many times, and even so many times I told my husband I want to go outside, I want to do a job, but she denied my idea every time because my responsibility towards my son right now, because he just
Okay.
3 years old, and
Oh,
yeah,
he is very
so he
small. My daughter is 6 years old.
okay, so that's why I'm not going outside. It's not because when I put him on the bed and while taking a nap, suddenly, immediately he wake up, and he every time he asking me, shouting me, "Mama, please come here, sleep with me." So it's not, I can't say it's easy for me to do a job. This is a time
Yeah, it's
period to
very difficult.
look after my son every time. Yeah. Yeah, it's happened with me many times because it's my desire. I want to become independent woman. Before my marriage, I did a job on a banking sector also. I did a classes. I was taking a classes, tuition classes. So I know how much feel I right now. I know how much I'm feeling, and that was feeling is fabulous.
And one more thing, if I talk about the taking care of your child, then I think it is, the duty is more towards mother, not towards father. So suppose if your husband has to take care of kid also, and he has to manage the job, is he will be able to do both the things? No.
No,
All
not
men,
all.
they will not be able to do this job. But if I talk about any women, she will manage the both the things. She will
Okay.
also take care of her kids family, and she can go outside for
Yes,
job.
yes. Okay.
And
Okay,
men
Shiva.
are
So I
totally
have to.
free. Okay.
Okay. I have to go to pick up my son at
Oh,
school. So we will
okay,
connect
okay.
another day definitely. Right now, we can wrap up our conversation.
Okay, thank you. It's nice talking to you, and I hope we
Okay.
will meet again.
Yeah, definitely. Why not? Sure. So have a good day. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you. Bye.